English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 15. If you can hear it, you're an expert. I like it. Native speakers sound more expressive. What do they usually say? I love it. I love it. That is interesting. There's a more natural reaction. What do people actually say? Nice. Nice. I was very surprised. One short phrase is often enough. How would a native say it? No way. No way. It was very good. There's a more conversational expression. What's the natural expression? That was awesome. That was awesome. Please don't worry. There's a shorter way to reassure someone. What do people usually say? You're good. You're good. Please hurry. Native speakers encourage more naturally. What do people actually say? Let's go. Let's go. Please calm down. Friends usually say it more casually. How would a native say it? Relax. Relax. Everything will be okay. There's a common encouraging phrase. What do people say? You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Thank you very much. There's a more natural way to show gratitude. What's the natural expression? Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Congratulations. Friends usually say it more casually. What do people usually say? Congrats. Congrats. I am cheering for you. Native speakers use this encouragement all the time. What do people actually say? You got this. You got this. I sincerely apologize. Daily conversation keeps it much shorter. How would a native say it? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please be careful. It's commonly used when saying goodbye. What do people say? Take care. Take care. Have a nice day. There's a more natural closing phrase. What do people usually say? Have a good one. Have a good one. I hope to see you again. Native speakers end with a more casual goodbye. What would a native say? See ya. See ya. Have a good one. Have a good one. See ya. See ya. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.